Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Moringa tablets. First, begin by carefully selecting fresh, healthy Moringa leaves. It is crucial to wash them thoroughly and then pat them completely dry to prevent any moisture from affecting the final product. Next, meticulously remove all the stems and any thick veins, ensuring you use only the pure leaf material for the best quality tablets. After preparing your leaves, the next vital step is drying. Spread the cleaned Moringa leaves thinly on a drying rack, allowing for good air circulation. Air dry them in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight, until they become completely brittle. This process can take several days. Once fully dry, grind these brittle leaves into a very fine, consistent powder using a blender or grinder. Now, let's prepare the powder for tablet formation. First, accurately measure your finely ground Moringa powder to ensure consistent tablet potency. Then, add a small amount of a natural binding agent, such as gum arabic or a similar food-grade binder, to the powder. This binder is essential for holding the tablets together. Mix the powder and binder thoroughly until you achieve a perfectly uniform mixture, ready for pressing. The final stage involves pressing and proper storage. Carefully load your uniform mixture into a tablet press machine. Apply consistent pressure to form the mixture into firm, durable tablets of a uniform size and weight. Once pressed, allow the tablets to air dry for a few hours to ensure they are completely solid. Finally, store your finished Moringa tablets in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to maintain their potency for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.